What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings, now tap on about phone and then tap on the software variant. Now from here check if you have any available update. So if you have update available, then update the phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone to the latest version, the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after updating, then open settings again, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now tap on this three dot more option and then tap on other settings, and then tap on reset app preferences. Now from the pop-up again tap on reset apps to confirm, and when you will tap on this option here, it will reset the app preferences for all of the apps in your phone, and after that the media keeps stopping error will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.